I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select System.io. Give here the API key. So please visit System.io API key in secret. Create. Give here a meaningful API key name. Save. Copy the API key and paste it into the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose tag. Map the respective fields. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Go to the System.io dashboard and navigate to the contacts. Here you can see data came successfully in the System.io. Thanks for watching.